Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to stop porn addiction. Yes, the reason behind I chose this topic is because many of them won't talk about this kind of topic. The main reason and main motive of this topic is I just want to recover those people who are addicted towards porn. That is because they are definitely ruining their life, and also they are wasting their time. They don't care about the responsibilities in their families and their surroundings, in their environment. So I just want to recover all those stuff, people who are addicted to porn. So this is the main motive of this video. So without any further delay, come on, let's get started. So the first thing is I'm not gonna categorize this video, because if I categorize this video, it'll stick like a flexible, it'll stick like a jelly, because it's have too many lists to say more side effects. I'm just gonna say a few points that will definitely useful for you to recover those stuffs. So for the first thing is, what is in porn addiction? Is porn addiction is nothing but an addiction towards sexual videos or photographs or books you read or the surroundings or the things you watch related to sexual behavior. It is known as porn addiction. Yes, what is an addiction? So it is a wrong, no, it's not a wrong thing, but if you cross the limit border, it's an absolute addiction, because an addiction is nothing but you are wasting your own time, or you keeping aside your responsibilities and focusing on a particular thing is known as addiction. Yes, so if you are focusing particularly in porn, means you are absolutely addicted towards porn. Yes, it is more dangerous than addicted towards alcohol and smoking cigarettes. And so the first thing or the first side effect you face in porn addiction is you will definitely lose all your time. You will be wasting more time in your life because you are addicted towards porn. The second thing is you will not take up your responsibilities. Because if you are focusedly watching on porn videos, you cannot focus on other things in your life, maybe your career or your family and all, so those stuff and all. So the third thing is you will see an opposite gender, or if you see an opposite gender person, you'll definitely see them as just a sexual object, not as a person, or not as a person. You will not feel their inner feelings or their love towards their care or their as their human behavior, has their humanity. You won't see those stuff and all. You just see the opposite gender person is just a sexual object. You will definitely see them as only as a sexual object, because you are addicted towards those porn things, because the picturization you see in the porn means your mind will definitely portray them, or when you see any other opposite sex gender person, you will definitely see them, or you portray them as a sexual object, because you will not feel them as in human beings. You will see them as a sexual object, right? Because it is the most cheapest way, and it's the bad or whatever dirty mind or whatever mental behavior you have, it is the most bad or dirty way, because you are addicted towards porn. So the fourth thing is it will create a depression in your mind. Yes, porn will definitely create a depression. No, you cannot say that no boy, you cannot say that I'm not depressed because of porn addiction, because I have my problems in my home, so that's why I'm depressed, or I'm depressed about something. So you can say that, but the reason behind your depression is also your porn addiction, because you're addicted towards sexual videos or porn videos, so you cannot focus on other things. So definitely depression will attack you, right? Depression will come towards you, right? So everything in the world is connected. So porn addiction also is a reason for your depression. You have a mentality to be alone. You cannot mingle with your friends, you cannot network with people, so you'll have a mentality towards stay alone in your home, right? Home or any workplace, because you're addicted towards porn. Or there are many things we can list out the side effects of porn addiction, because there are that much vast side effects has been given in the internet because of porn addiction. So I just want to say a fact that India ranked 3rd position among the world in watching porn. Is it a proud moment? We are still a developing country, but we have ranked number 3 position in watching porn. Does it sound good, right? Or you feeling more proud when we citizens ranked in number 3 position? No, it's not at all a proud moment. It is a shame on us, because there are many countries has been developed, but still we guys are in a state of developing, because India is a nation of youth, right? But we are not. But we youth won't focus on good things, on our goals, on our careers. We just You want to stick on to the bad stuffs, what you're seeing, what you're facing, and what you're thinking, or what the world follows, what the people, other people follows, we also follow. If your friend watching porn, you should also watch porn. Does it a necessary thing in your life? No, it is not. And also, India porn rate watching in India has been increased to 95% in the past lockdown. If the lockdown started, India has been moved to 95%. There is a 95% increase in watching porn rate. So does it also sounds good? No, it won't right. So nothing else to say. Think and act accordingly. To recover from porn, yes, there are many ways you can recover from porn. The first thing is control your mind. You should only control your mind. Don't let the mind control you, because you should control your mind. That if you control your mind and body, you can succeed in your life. There are many ways you can control your mind and your body. And also the second thing is, have a good friendship. Yes, friendship is the most important factor in your life. So have a good friendship who will definitely have good friends who will definitely motivate you yourself, and also you can have them a good friends, and also who have a person that who will help for your progressment of your life. And also I just want to say that if your parents, if you are a parent who watching this video, so please try to teach your son or daughter about those stuffs and all, because if you have a son, please try to teach them how to see a girl, what is a girl means, what is this kind of stuff means, because they will not learn from you. They will definitely learn from their friends who, I don't know whether, we don't know, right, whether they are having good friends. You parents don't know whether they have been mingled with the good friends or bad friends. From the outlook, you can say that they are good friends, but you'll definitely don't know what their stuff they have been undergoing in your life, and what are the things they are learning from their friends. Your children are learning from their friends. So try to teach those stuff, how to see a girl, how to behave in front of the girl, how to watch a girl, how to watch properly a girl, how to handle those stuffs and all. So please try to teach them about those stuffs, because getting it from friends, getting it from parents is something more special and more advisable in my point of view, because I have learned many things from my mom. My mom used to say that like these stuffs and all, you should talk. If you see a girl or if you see an opposite gender person, you should always see their eyes and talk. This is the main good behavior in your life, right? So these are the small stuff you can teach your children. So that's it. So I'm just requesting you to stop your porn addiction. Try to stop your porn addiction, because it will definitely ruin your life, and also it creates a bad impression about you. People may not know that you are porn addicted, but somehow you know, right? You know that how much you are addicted towards porn. So try to stop those stuffs, because please, it is not giving a pride. It is not a pride that watching more porn videos and getting addicted to it's not a pride, or it will not give a single penny in your life, and also it is not much important to your life, and also it will not give any progress in your life too, because too much watching porn. So try to avoid those stuffs in your life, then only your life will move good and healthy. Don't worry, and I suggest you that please, and I request you that please don't get addicted to those stuffs. That's it. Don't worry. Let's go with me.